Welcome back to Houston Live. You know, they say the eyes are the windows to the soul, but today we're talking about the actual windows to your home with the owner and CEO of the Window Source of Houston, David Mallett. Welcome to Studio B, David.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Hey, it's my pleasure, especially because as someone who was a new homeowner at one time, you know, windows, that's a big deal on the home.
Yes, it is. It's one of the most important things when you're thinking about energy efficiency and keeping your house airtight.
Yeah.
And it really helps a lot.
And, you know, people do have options, but the Window Source of Houston, as I'm seeing, is veteran and family owned and operated. Who's the veteran? Is that you?
That's me. I've served in the Marine Corps. Served 2 tours in Afghanistan.
Wow. Thank you for your service.
Yep, thank you.
So how did you get into the window business?
It's kind of a long story. There was an old man that was retiring, so I got into the commercial window world. Realized that really fast that there was a need for somebody in the residential that had some integrity, because I actually was shopping for windows myself and found it really hard to find somebody that would tell me the truth or give me straight up answers when I asked.
Wow, I love people that discover a problem and then decide to solve it for the collective. So really, we're talking about springtime actually being a great time to consider replacing your windows. Why is that?
Right now, we have this great weather in Houston. I know I had a great weekend this weekend. It was beautiful. So if you're going to open up your house to the elements, it's good to have it now because it's nice and cool outside instead of in the middle of summer or in the harsh of winter. You know, here in Houston, we have some drastic different swings in weather. So one weekend it'll be warm and one week it'll be cold. But right now is the perfect time because of the weather and the comfortability of it.
I feel like I learn something new about, you know, home repair every time we have a guest like you on. I had no idea. What is the benefit, if any? What are the benefits of having your windows replaced?
There's a lot of different benefits. One of the benefits that everybody talks about is the energy efficiency. They really do improve the energy efficiency of the home. You could save about 30% on your electric bill. Your heating and cooling equipment don't run as much, so it extends the life of that equipment in the home.
That's amazing. We're looking at some of the finished houses that you've put in windows on. Yep. These are beautiful, beautiful homes. But you do any project. I mean, these are kind of bigger homes. Any project, no project too big or small for you guys?
No, we do some customization too. If people want to add a window to their home that's not there now or change a door to a window, we do projects like that too. We don't just plug and play. We can actually do customization too to the home. Some of these windows here or some of the pictures you saw there, the most popular is of course right now is the black on black.
Is that, okay, we wanted to talk about window trends. Are black windows in right now?
Still the trends these days is still the black on black window. A lot of people in the back of their homes, they're going to, instead of an operational window like you see here, like a picture window or a casement window. So this is a casement window here that you can actually still open, but it doesn't have all the middle bars or the sashes that you see on a regular traditional window. So you have a better view of your backyard. So if you have a pool or trees or different plants or different vegetation you want to look at, picture windows or casement windows are great.
Yeah, plants are all the rage right now, so people love their natural light in their home. I think we're realizing, hey, we just want, the luxury of the outside, but to enjoy inside. Right. You are a local company. Do you want to talk about why buying local is so important?
Well, in my opinion, buying local, you get a local person that's been in the market that knows the Houston area. Some of these national companies, they literally send people in to canvas neighborhoods, come in, do high pressure sales. And they sell the window they want you to buy, not the window that's perfect for your home. We actually come in the home, we give a consultation. So we'll talk to you about what your needs and wants are, and we'll kind of guide you the best we can to the window that fits your home and your needs, not what's best for us.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And me, when I shop, I'm an options. I want to see everything. I don't want to look online. To me, I'd like to see it. I like to touch it. And you guys do have a showroom.
Yes, we do. We have a showroom in Tomball, Texas, which is just right outside of Houston. We have almost all of our windows there, so you can come in, touch them, play with them, look at them, see all the different options that we have. We welcome somebody to come by and see them.
Yeah, do some window shopping. Window shopping, literally inside a window showroom.
Correct. Yeah, that's right.
Just real quick, getting back to the trend of black windows and helping the air and infiltration system. Houston is a place that we kind of have people with allergies. I mean, the pollen, all that stuff in the air. Is that affected in any way? Can a window help with that?
Oh, it can help tremendously. Windows help make your home really airtight. So you don't have that air infiltration coming from outside, the pollen, the dust that you kind of see collecting everywhere now. It helps keep that outside. And you'll notice if you ever walk into a room and if it's a little bit colder than the other rooms, or it's a little bit warmer in the summer than the other rooms, these actually will help balance your AC units. So that way, when you walk into a room, it feels more comfortable to you.
Yeah.
So you can use those rooms you couldn't use before.
Okay, that's really good to know. And let's talk about installment process. Do you guys, I mean, I know you guys kind of pride yourselves on having a fast installation process.
We do. So we can move as fast as slow as you would like. So we can, if you call us today, we can come out tomorrow and give you a quote. We can get windows usually in 2 to 3 to 4 weeks. We can install them that week or whenever it's convenient for you. You know, we can work around any kind of schedule.
Very cool, very cool. And then you guys offer discounts, not just for seniors, but for also first responders and veterans, is that right?
First responders and veterans, we give an extra 5%.
That's amazing.
Seniors, veterans, and first responders.
Well, that's cool. Well, thank you so much for taking the time, coming to Studio B, and schooling us on the trends in windows and what's going on. I know people really appreciate it. And today you can call and get a free estimate. Tomorrow, as David mentioned, you can get up to 25% off windows and doors. The number, if you want to learn more, is 281-547-6900. You can check them out online at windowsourcehouston.com. Don't go anywhere. Houston Life will be right back. Thanks so much, David.
Thank you.